If there is the question raised among us that, is this precious life we are living right now? Everyone would say yes, but reality is not. Everyone want to become precious life, but no one want to invest for it. If there is something is precious, where do you want to invest this life? Into what you want to invest this precious life? You are only thinking that how to earn a living, how to get this life or that life. If you think, then you will do something silly that you will regret for the rest of your life. Many of the people, they don't know what they want to do in their life. They are not creating what really matter to them. They are doing something for living. Earn a living is not a big deal for a human being. This precious life, where you are going to invest it? Are you going to invest in something that is truly worthwhile, or are you going to throw it away as a worthless things? This choice is very important things in our life. Life is a certain amount of time and energy, so time is going away from our life. Find out your way for your precious life as quick as possible and invest your time and energy into it. You must not do something because he is doing it, or you must not do something because he is not doing it. This is not the way to decide things to your life. You must see what is it that really matter to you. You invest your time into that, whatever it is, however big and small, it doesn't matter. If you see that is something truly worthwhile and you must invest in that, what other people say is doesn't matter. But you should not be ashamed of what you have done. That much you must always keep in your life. If that one thing if you give up, then you will never do anything significant in your life. That is for 100% fact. So do something best in your life as you want. We need to always remember one thing, that we can live our life with any situation, but that situation only created by us, not others. So choice is totally your choice in your life. Find out your precious life.